If you only learn one new skill this year, make it this knot. This is the essential, multi-purpose knot that works for any situation, from camping to quick repairs, and even emergencies. It's simple, incredibly strong, and most importantly, it's easy to untie even after bearing a heavy load. Whether you're securing a tarp in a storm, hanging a bear bag, or joining two ropes, this knot is your go-to solution. Master this one trick, and you'll be ready for your next adventure. Save this video now and follow for more essential outdoor skills.